Well, good morning. I'm here today at Buckeye Ridge, a D.R. Horton community in Winter Haven, Florida. This is our 3-2 Aria, one of our best-selling floor plans. And let's go inside and see what it has to offer. So, two-car garage, oversized, 20 by 20. Walk inside and we're greeted by this beautiful archway. Look at that. How pretty is that? Express Homes, which this is, feature all tile on the foyer. This is a 3-2, so we have one full bathroom and 2 bedrooms about the same size. There we go. Closet. Bedroom number 2. So those are bedrooms, not counting the master. Okay. Laundry room. Comes with the washer dryer. Inside, huge garage that will take a pickup truck, workbench, and an extra car. Okay, so we have the living room, dining room. Oh, who have we here?
Hello everyone, welcome to your new home, the Aria by D.R. Horton. 3-2 beds. Beautiful home.
Yes, it is. Thank you, Ed. And we have the owner's suite. This will take a king-size bed. Huge walk-in closet. Look at that. All right. Potty in a room by itself. Another closet. Look at that. More storage. Generous size shower. Fiberglass surround. No grout to clean. Love that. And the double vanity. So that is the Aria by D.R. Horton and Express Homes.